Hi, I'm dermatologist Dr. Leslie Baumann, and welcome to my channel. Our channel is very different than the other ones out there, so I wanted to take a minute to tell you about it. We are not paid by any companies or any brands to talk about different products. Even in the interviews, the product talk interviews that you'll see where I interview cosmetic chemists from different brands, none of those are paid for by the brands. It is my goal to change the way you shop for skincare by giving you great, accurate, unbiased advice and helping you find out which of the 16 Baumann skin types you are so that you can shop by your skin type and you can look for your skin type octagon on products, and also so you can find educational material that applies to you. I hope you have a chance to go to skintypesolutions.com and look at my skincare blog. I really think it's the best skincare blog. I used my textbook information and I rewrote it for you, and the blogs are really better than the textbook because I can keep it up to date on a daily basis. And I love writing the blogs. I'm up at 4 or 5 in the morning sometimes writing blogs. I get excited about ideas. If there's anything you want to learn about, please email me info@skintypesolutions.com and tell me what topics you want to learn about if you can't find it in the blogs and you can't find it here in the videos. I'm a dermatologist in Miami. I do a lot of research trials. My research trials are mostly on injectables like botulinum toxins and dermal fillers, but they're also on topical creams for things like rosacea, melasma, acne, and of course aging. Of course, we have many trials on aging. I worked at the University of Miami for 13 years, and I am here to educate you. I'm a teacher. I miss being at the university. I miss having students. So this is my outlet for teaching. I hope you enjoy the channel, and I hope that you'll come to skintypesolutions.com and find out which of the 16 Baumann skin types you are, because once you find out which one you are, you can build a custom regimen from over 60 different brands, and that will help you know how to mix and match and find the best products from different brands. Also, once you know your skin type, the coolest part is you can shop using your skin type. All you have to do is once you know what your skin type octagon is, then you'll go and you'll look for that octagon next to the product, and then you're going to know that product is right for you. Again, welcome to my channel, and please hit subscribe. Please like the videos you like. It helps me know what kind of content you're enjoying, and feel free to comment as well. Thank you so much for being part of the Skin Type Solutions community, and I hope that I can help make a big difference in your skin by helping you find products that really work.